Mount 4.isos disappeared from context menu. I have Windows 10 and when right-clicking on .iso files there is usually a mount as an option. But when I installed Nero Burning Room, mount disappeared from the context menu. How can I add it back?
This could be because Nero became the default program for opening .iso files, so you'll need to undo that. Try right-clicking on any ISO file, and then in the Open with ... option, select Choose Default Program. There you'll have to choose Windows Explorer. Check if the mount option is back, and that's it.
As an alternative, adding mount back to the context menu. If you like having the default application for opening the .iso file to be something other than Explorer, i.e. Nero, then leave it as default. When you want to mount the .iso, right-click on any ISO file, then in the Open with ... option, select Windows Explorer. I like this option because the file still opens with my favorite burner app, but still allows me to mount it in Windows Explorer, which I use less often.
If you've checked all of this stuff like me, and still don't get mount in the context menu, go to this key in regedit. If there is an entry there called programmatic access only, delete it. That's what was preventing me from getting it.
It's like all these solutions never worked for me. This one here worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.